Hey, Mathlete. All right, approximating with powers of 10. So first of all, the keyword here is approximating, okay? So they want to know on here, the table down here shows some famous athletes. I've never heard of any of them, so I don't know what sport they actually play. But anyways, they want to know approximately how many times larger is Ronald Christian's salary. Well, 92, he made approximately $90 million. Approximating means you get one number out here in front, and then all zeros after that. And Forrest Thornton, he only made 30,000, so there's no approximating. He just made 30,000. We don't know how many times bigger this is. Well, number-wise, 9 divided by 3 is 3, so that's where they came up with this 3 for all of them, okay? And then there's how many zeros in here? There are 7 zeros here. There's 4 zeros here. 7 minus 4 is 3, so he made 3 times 10 to the third power more money. Okay, let's try another one here. Now it's a little bit small, but this way I can make it all fit. Peggy the pig built a house of sticks. The sticks can withstand speeds up to 47 miles per hour. Well, that approximates out to be 50 miles per hour. So if we take the number 50, for example, and if I just type 50 on there, 50 is a 5 and how many zeros? A 5 with 1 0, so we call that 5 times 10 to the power of 1, because there's 1 0, okay? Patricia the pig built a house that can withstand wind speeds up to 4,928. So basically that's 5,000 miles per hour, which this would be 5, and how many zeros? 3, so it's 5 to the power of 3, okay? We want to know how many times bigger can this one withstand than this one up here. Well, the 5 divided by the 5 is going to be the 1. That's why each of these answers here has a 1 in front of them. And then there's 3 zeros here. There's 1 0 here. So this one's got 2 more zeros than that one. So 1 and 2 zeros would be 100. Hopefully that makes sense to you. If not, rewatch that part of the video. Next one and last one. Harvey Potter is a wizard. He waved his wand and made a grain of salt that is, I don't ever count the first 0, I just count from the decimal. So 0.00002. That's 4 zeros and a 2. And it grew to a diameter of 0.006. Okay, so approximately how many times larger? So first we're going to compare the real number, the 6 and the 2. How do you get from a 2 to a 6 or a 6 to the 2? You're multiplying or you're dividing by what number? Hopefully you just said 3. So 3 or 3. It's either going to be A or it's going to be letter C. Then, how many zeros are here? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros here before the 2. This one has 2 zeros before the 2. So it's going to be 4 minus 2 is 2, or letter A. It's really quite that simple. If you have questions, though, please let me check your answers. Bye, guys.